everyone, Kua's here today, and I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I have been quite busy, but today's video is going to be a little bit different because I got Kennedy a brand new car seat, so I thought I'd show you. I have got like a proper baby car seat, but as Kennedy's small, she doesn't fit in it, and as my room's small, it won't fit in here. Because she used to sleep at the bottom of my bed, but now there's nothing to support her, so eventually she'll probably fall down, and I don't want her getting damaged. So I'll show you it. She looks so cute. It come off Argos online, and it's a tiny treasure one. She looks so cute in it, and it goes well with my room. It's grey and pink, and look how cute she is. She only just fits. She looks so cute. Is it little? Yeah, it's Tiny Treasures. I think it cost £20, and it fits perfect in my room. And I've got a shaving in it already. So I picked it up today from Sainsbury's, and it's also got this little dangly thing with a teddy on it, which is grey and pink as well. Look, she looks so cute, so sweet. I just move her head so you can see her face properly. Luckily she won't fall out, but hopefully her head don't drop too much. But yes, there she is, so cute. And also she's got new leggings on from Primark as well. There. So yeah, it's so cute. So now she's more safer. So she's just going to stay down at the side of my bed for now, because I'm eventually going to put her over there. But I can't put her there yet until the paint's been moved, because we still need to do a bit more painting. The grey's done. It's just the pink that needs to be done now. Where's your blanket? Oh, my bed is such a mess right now. I know it's literally on here somewhere. There it is. Right, so here's Kennedy's blanket she came with when I got her. So it's only like this thin one. It's stripes, so I can put this on her, over her as well. As long as it doesn't go in the rabbit cage. Just put that over you like that. Just snuggle you up. I know you don't really feel coldness, but it does get really cold in here. So cute. All snuggly. Does look a bit dark. My light's not on. So I just moved back a bit, it might lighten it up a bit. But she's down there. And I might add, I've got this. If I can get it off with one hand. I'm gonna hang this on it as well. Just for decoration. Oops. I don't think that's going to fasten. Is it going to fasten? I think that's actually too long. I might take that off, it looks stupid. Anyway, so she looks so cute. I am going to get her some outfits off there too, because they'll fit perfect. She does fit perfect in doll's clothes, as she's only 17 inches. Aren't you? There she is. So anyway guys, I'm going to leave this video here. I just thought I'd do a random video because I hadn't done one in a while. Let's see if I can get this back in one-handed. I don't think I can. But anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe if you want to see more. rate, comment, leave your suggestions down below what you would like to see. And thank you to everyone who's subscribed. I really appreciate it. I love you all. And I'll do another video soon.